Hi, I'm Teresa Palmer, and my career profile is on a community support specialist. I work next to a facility that is called Grant County Integrated Services, and within that facility is a Department of Mental Health. And the mission of the Department of Mental Health is to help individuals that are mentally ill that may have emotional problems, behavioral problems, um, and they want to help them integrate into the community, into their families, uh, help them become more independent, uh, find stability. And a community support specialist works with these individuals, uh, not counseling, of course, but works with them one on one and providing treatment services, making sure they connect. They're an advocate for these individuals. And this position actually would help determine could go to their homes and visit them, or if they were in jail they could go to the jail and visit them, but it's help determine their needs. And a community support specialist connects with the therapist and the counselors, and like I said, like I mentioned, is there as the patient's advocate or the individual's advocates. They provide education also, and part of that education is with medicine, the dosage, the making sure they understand the medicines they're taking and the importance of that. It may be driving the individuals to their appointments, to their treatment times. It's being a support. It's being there and being able to help report any um, things that might be harmful to them or any successes to their treatment counselors. This particular position does require a bachelor's degree. It could be a bachelor's degree in psychology or social work, sociology, or a related human services degree. The only certification that they mention in the job description is preferred and not required, and it is for I live in Washington State, so it is the Washington, let me find it here, the Washington State Registered Agency Affiliated Counselor credential. It is preferred, but it's not required, and when you do receive it, you're obligated to maintain that. The salary uh, on this position starts out at around 43,000 and tops off around 46,000. It's a 40-hour a week job, Monday through Friday, and you do need to be able to have a driver's license because you will be going, visiting to the individual's home, maybe even transporting them, and you need to be able to do that. But I thought it was an interesting something I would be interested in a position because of my experience of working 20 years in a community health center where we treat the underserved and those that cannot afford health care. And my heart goes out to those in our community that need extra help, that due to whatever situation, if it's an emotional or mental or a family issue or how they were raised, they need assistance and help, and they deserve that treatment that we all do. So I like this position. I called the HR clerk at Grant County Mental Health, and she's the one that gave me this information and sent me a 3-page job description, which was very interesting. So that was the community support specialist at our county's mental health facility.